Using the Explorer, we can actually physically see the Hive warehouse and Hive tables, Hive files, etc. We can go to Explorer and there is a direct UI interface within the browser. We can check where exactly Hive resides, what are the tables inside Hive. If you remember, even we saw it for Hadoop file system. So simply we go here, we go to browse HDFS. So that was the browse HDFS, or simply you can write this localhost, this thing, and then utilities, browse file system. Within file system, browse file system. Now within that you have user, US here, user. Within that you have Hive warehouse. Within that you have Stack Overflow tags. Now that is connected to Stack Overflow HDFS, if you see that, right? So it is on HDFS only, but the schema, so simply it appears as it has been moved to Hive warehouse. Within that there are Stack Overflow tags. So that is one more way of checking what file or how many tables are there in the Hive warehouse. In fact, we can write several other SQL queries. If we want to see first few rows of this particular table, simply we write select star from Stack Overflow tags table name limit 3, which limits the output into 3 for first 3 rows. That means first 3 questions tags associated with that will be the output, since this is Stack Overflow data. So this is the output for the first 3 rows. It might appear as totally different database. Simply you have to understand these are just Stack Overflow questions, the first 3 questions. So this is the first question: how to check an uploaded file image without my MIME type. This question must be related to something else, and then PHP, the tags, everything is in that question. Second question has some data table inside that, body or tags. So it can be anything. This is just simply the text file. So these are the first 3 rows of that text file. So that is how we can see first few rows, not only first 3 rows, we can see first 30 rows also. So this is just another SQL query, simply that is fetching the data from that particular table. In fact, we can send this output to a new file. So basically we have a command that takes care of sending the output to a new file. Insert, overwrite. So these are all the keywords: insert, overwrite, local directory. So this is the local file name, Hive output 1, row format, delimited field. So these are all the keywords, okay, delimiters, etc. And then the query: select count star from Stack Overflow tags limit 30. That means first 30 rows we are fetching them and we are storing them in Hive out in HD user output Hive output 1. So let's execute this. So map reduce has started. Slowly all these 30 rows will be fetched and they will be sent to that particular file. So it is done. So we can go to home HD user output Hive output 1. So home output Hive output 1, this is the file that we just created. You can just check that Hive output. These are the first 30 rows that are fetched from that particular table. In fact, from here itself we can have a look at them. We can open a new terminal. In that you can see the file that is just created. So there is a command directly, you can use it to new terminal. Within that the file is output Hive output 00 part. So this is the output. Anyway, we have seen it directly physically. So that is how Hive works. Basically these are all nothing but the SQL queries. Using SQL queries, automatically they are converted into map reduce codes. There is a count program. Simply we write select count star from Stack Overflow tags, which we already executed. It took around 5 to 6 minutes, but at the end we got the same answer that we got from map reduce. So that is how we use Hive. In fact, in next few topics or in next few commands we will try to see some more examples, some more queries within Hive.